guitar really isn't hard, but the first time you do it, it might seem a little bit complicated. Once or twice, and it'll be easy. First of all, what I like to do is loosen all the strings at the headstock here, and then I want to clip all the strings. I use a little clipper like this. Take them off carefully. Have to unwind a little bit at the headstock, and you'll want to pull these pins out. Again, this tool that I use has a little device to pull the pins out like this. You don't want to use a wrench or a pliers because it can break the guitar pins or scratch your guitar. Then I usually polish up my guitar since I got all the strings off and I can get at the neck and everything. Then I start with the top string, which I call this the top because it's the highest in pitch. It's the high E string. And you put the button inside the hole and then push the pin slightly so that it holds the button inside the hole. Stretch the string over, shore it up so you have about 3 inches over the headstock. This is for the first string. Back it up, crimp it slightly, then wind the string on. I sometimes put that first string in through the hole twice right here because it likes to slip out. Wind it up until it's stiff. You don't worry about tuning yet. Do the same thing one at a time until you get to the low string. Go back and clip the strings here so they don't poke you in the eye. Then tune it up. I usually use an electronic tuner to get it tuned fast.